Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
President Bola Tinubu had, in a last-minute move, redeployed Engineer Abubakar Momoh from the Ministry of Youth Development to the Ministry of Niger Delta Development in the constitution of his cabinet. The following commentary is a brief profile of the new Minister of Niger Delta Development.
Abubakar Momoh, a chemical engineer, is a chieftain of the All Progressives Congress (APC), who hails from Etsako East local government area of Edo State. Engineer Momoh is a grassroots politician who started his political career as a councillor. He was later elected as a local government chairman in the transition to democratic governance in Nigeria. Between 1999 and 2003, he represented Etsako East in the Edo State House of Assembly, where he distinguished himself as one of the most performing lawmakers. In 2003, Engineer Momoh, a student union leader in his days at the University of Benin, was elected to represent Etsako Federal Constituency in House of Representatives for a single term. He later returned to the Green Chamber in 2011 and has many significant constituency projects to his credit. The new Minister of Niger Delta Development has a reputation of being passionate about public service and development. He holds a master's degree in chemical engineering from the University of Lagos and is a registered member of the Council for Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria. He also holds a master's degree in public administration from the Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma. Engineer Momoh is a fellow of the Institute of Public Administration. He is expected to deploy his experience and expertise to reposition the Ministry of Niger Delta Development.
Inside the Niger Delta,